Do you know you can make bread with chickpeas? This bread is a forgotten traditional bread that is made in two different ways in Greece and Turkey. There are many legends about this bread. One of them says that its recipe was kept like a secret. The name of this bread is Eptazimo. If you search its name on Google, you will find more pictures and recipes for it. What makes this bread different from others is that instead of using sourdough, chickpeas are used. The best chickpeas for this bread are those that are fresh, organic, and grown without chemical fertilizers. In this video, we make this bread using the Greek method. We weigh 60 grams of chickpeas. If you're worried about your grinder, crush the chickpeas slightly with a mortar first, then grind them. After that, we pour the crushed chickpeas into a sterilized glass. And we add just enough warm water until it turns into a paste. We cover it with a cloth, then leave it in a warm, dark place for 1 day. After 1 day, fermentation begins and bubbles appear. We add it to 250 grams of white flour and 50 grams of whole wheat flour, 280 grams of water, and a little pepper. We cover it with plastic and let it rest in a warm place for 2 to 3 hours. Bake it in a preheated oven at 220 degrees for 45 minutes.